how to add SHIBA INU to Metamask. Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Express. I'm going to show you guys how to add the token SHIBA into your wallet of Metamask. So the first thing we want to do is to open our wallet here of Metamask. As you can see, I have it already opened. So I'm going to use the network of Ethereum. At the moment here, I don't see the SHIBA token, so we're going to add this manually mode. So the first thing we want to do is to go right just above here, and we're going to go to import tokens. So here at the moment we can go with a custom token, or we can just look for it in here. But if you want to make sure you added the right token, we're gonna have to add a custom one, right? So we want to get the token symbol and the contract, right? So for that information, we want to go to coin market cap, and then here at the top of the page you can see here the search bar. I'm gonna click on it, and I'm gonna go search for SHIBA INU. So at the moment I see it right here, the number 14. I'm gonna click on it, and as you can see we have all the information. We just want to find the contract. So at the moment I just need to go right here where it says contracts, Ethereum. It says the network of Ethereum. I'm gonna click to copy address, and I'm gonna go again to Metamask, my Metamask wallet. I'm gonna go again with import token. You're gonna go in here, the custom, and I'm gonna paste right the contract that I just copy from market cap, and we just have the automatic mode that the symbol and the numbers here have been added automatically. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go with add custom token, and there you go. Here's the token. No actives of this token, but I'm just going to import it, and there you go guys. I'm gonna go back of my main network of Ethereum, and you can see all my tokens here, and if I just scroll down I can see the one that we just import right in here. So don't forget to subscribe and just like the video if you want to see more about cryptos and NFTs. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you again soon.